Hi, this is James. So, are you looking for a tool to level up your video marketing and boost your business? Great news. For March 11 a.m. Eastern, Facedrip is launching. And I got a quick walkthrough coming up. Before that, check out the demo of Facedrip here.
Guys, this is Facedrip, an outstanding one-click AI-powered app which helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos for the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Add a video. To add your video, you just need to click on the Create Video button right here. Next, you will see different options to upload your video, such as record from camera, record your screen, add a video from YouTube, and upload a video from your computer. I will use a video from my computer, so I will click here, find the video I want to use, and upload it. We wait for our video to load, and we will be redirected to the customization area. Step 2. Customize your video. Now we are in the customization area. This top menu you see right here will guide you step by step to customize every aspect of your video. On the left side, you will be able to use the customization features, and on the right side, you will be able to preview your changes. In the Editing tab, you will be able to add an intro and an outro to your video, to trim it, and to pick a thumbnail. In the Design tab, you will be able to design the video player, as well as to design the call to action section of your video. You can customize the logo, change the color of the play button, and you can also add a custom background image to your video page. If you would like to take a look at how your video page is looking so far, you can copy this URL here and open it in a new tab. And there, you can take a look at how things are looking so far. And in the Design CTA tab, you are able to apply similar changes but to the CTA section of your video page. In the Details tab, you are able to add your video description, assign some tags, select your call to action among many different high-converting and ready-to-use calls to action, such as phone number, chat, video reply, form, external form, document, products, and many more. And you can use several of them at the same time if you want. Engage your viewers with multiple videos by adding several videos into a playlist. Be able to use our one-click transcription service, and be able to use each one of these additional customization features, which are depending on your liking. Let's see how the video page is looking so far. And there you can see every element I decided to show on my video page with just a few clicks. In the Analytics tab, you can track the actions of your video viewers, such as email click rates, watch rates, call rates, CTA click rates, reaction rates, email open rates, and video reply rates, as well as video stats and activity. In the Video Replies tab, you can see more information about the response activity that viewers have done. This feature enables you to also receive video testimonials from the viewers and customers. And finally, we go to the Privacy tab, where you will have 3 options to choose, like Feature, Shareable, and Draft. Well guys, that was easy and fun, don't you think? It's time to share our video with the whole world. Step 3, share your video. Once you have finished making all the adjustments to your video, you can share it by clicking on this share icon. Guys, here you can find all kinds of awesome ways to share your video to the whole world. Brilliant ways like email, social, embed, widget, and QR code. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Facedrip doesn't just create interactive videos for you. After creating your videos, you can start running video email or video SMS campaigns to drive more conversions and sales. Also, as an agency, freelancer, or local marketer, rendering services to different clients, say hello to the new advanced workspace that organizes your different clients into workspaces. They are all independent business profiles you can handle. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Facedrip, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use an outstanding one-click AI-powered app which helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos for the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds, then try Facedrip today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
So let's now jump over to the sales page of Facedrip and check out what other interesting things that we can find out about Facedrip that is going to help you boost your video marketing and your business as well. Okay, people, so let's face it. The name of this software may not be flattering and may be deceptive, but from the demo, you have seen what it can do and how it can boost your business by engaging your visitors and getting them to take the action that you want them to take. So Facedrip is the first artificial intelligence assisted interactive video creation platform on JVZoo. It is one-click AI-powered app and helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos as well for Web 3.0 in less than a minute. Now, some of the other features that you may have seen from the demo is that you can record directly from your browser using a webcam or even to screen record and or upload from your desktop or from third-party apps. And you can also import videos directly from YouTube, provided that they are Creative Commons. So don't run afoul of copyright issues. Now, Facedrip is also going to replace your plain text or boring email messages and send personalized video messages and add interactive elements and call to action buttons as well. You can run email or video SMS campaigns to boost your open rates and click-through rates. You can get your viewers to take the action that you want with relevant call to actions such as schedule a demo button or visit a website button or anything else that is relevant for you. You can add public booking links to manage scheduling with Calendly and other similar tools. And you can transcode and encode your video to ensure that there is buffer-free viewing. Now, there is a futuristic page builder built in that creates high-converting video sales pages. You can create and access separate workspaces for your different clients. How cool is that? Divide all the work, and you have free video hosting. You don't need to pay for a separate video hosting, which can be pretty expensive. And for now, during this launch phase, you will get a commercial license thrown in as well. Now, on the sales page, guys, the demo that I had presented to you earlier is also embedded there. And as you can see from here, this is using Facedrip, and you can see this call to action or opt-in form popping up on the video player itself. And there are quite a number of testimonials from users. I guess these are beta users. Now, let's have a look at some of the interesting stats on why you should use interactive videos on your sales pages. 93% of marketers say that interactive content is very effective or somewhat effective in educating buyers versus just static content. Now, 88% say that interactive content differentiates you from your competitors. 68% feel that interactive video will become more important in the future. And interactive video boosts your engagement up to 66% and increases your viewer time by up to 44%. And click-through rate is 10x higher than passive video. And interactive content generates 4 to 5 times more page views than static content. Emails with video clips can boost your CTRs by as much as 300%. So these are the guys who are bringing you Facedrip, Steve Tari and Simon Warner. Now, guys, you can take the expensive route, which is to outsource your videos and turning them into interactive videos, but it's going to set you back by about 500 and more. So if you need 10 such videos, that's going to set you back by 5,000 per month or 60K per year. Now, alternative number 2 is to use one of these tools, Vistia or Active Campaign, Sugar CRM or Camtasia, and these are the cores on a monthly basis. So with Facedrip today, during this launch phase, you're going to pick it up at a terribly low one-time fee. So let's just recap. What kind of interactive videos can you create with Facedrip? Sales videos and VSLs, product demos, affiliate review videos, training and webinar reruns, videos for your blogs, training videos, and video ad campaign, and whatever else that your creative mind can come up with. So let's go through some of the other amazing features of Facedrip that I haven't revealed yet. I've already gone through some of these. Just to recap, you can communicate using video in your emails. You can organize your brands into independent workspaces. You can accept appointments directly from your videos. You can build a highly targeted list, as you saw in the video higher up in this page where an opt-in form had popped up. And you can, of course, drive marketing decisions. So with Facedrip, you can store 200 videos, and the maximum storage is 30 gigs, and bandwidth is 50 gigabytes. You have PIP mode recording. You can integrate with LinkedIn as well. And of course, it works in Chrome browser, visitor analytics. You can turn on the autoplay option, and you can embed the video on any website. Or you could even share the video as a widget. You can create playlists, you can trim your videos, you get SEO-friendly embed codes. There is password protection, private link sharing, player customization. You can optimize your videos, images, and files, customize the colors as well, and the components. You have privacy and visibility controls, live transcoding after recording. It comes with video tutorial to guide you throughout the process. And there is 24/7 customer service, which is great. So even during the weekends and you are stuck, you can rely on someone to help you out. So the 30-day risk-free guarantee is a satisfaction guarantee. So here are the bonuses that you get. Bonus number 1 is the free commercial license, as mentioned. Bonus number 2 is a practical over-the-shoulder training on how to create a 6-figure income with Facedrip. Bonus number 3 is VIP access to Steve Tari, 24/7 private Skype business accelerator and coaching group. Bonus number 4 is freelance marketing video course. Bonus number 5 is free advertising credits worth $600 to $800. Bonus number 6 is professionally made Facebook Interactive Video Academy. And bonus number 7 is white label license to freelance marketplace. Now, if you plan to sell the videos that you're creating with Facedrip, have a look at how much you could potentially earn by selling them on freelance sites, anywhere up to $2,800. So the front end comes in 2 versions, personal license or commercial license. And you can see immediately that there are stark differences. You get more with the commercial license. And of course, a lot is missing from the personal license. You might as well jump in and grab the commercial license, which is just $2 more. Now, OTO number 1 is Facedrip Unlimited, the starter version, going for $97 every year. There is also the premium unlimited version going for $147 a year. OTO 2 is Facedrip Professional, going for $57 one time. OTO 3 is Facedrip Agency Consultant, going for $197 one time. OTO 4 is Facedrip Video Reel starter version for $35 one time. And there's also a commercial version going for $47 one time. And OTO 5 is Facedrip White Label Mini version going for $197 and the Max version for $297. Now there are OTO bonuses as well, and OTO 1 bonuses include mobile e-commerce simplified, Bonus number 2 is access information to 3,262 royalty-free stock videos platform. And bonus number 3 is online viral marketing secrets video upgrade. OTO2 bonuses include number 1, social traffic plan. Number 2 is AI-powered brand domain maker. Bonus number 3 is ads agency website. OTO3 bonuses include number 1, unlimited access to database of laser-targeted buyer leads in different niches. Bonus number 2 is high-ticket agency frameworks and optimization toolkit. Bonus number 3 is viral quotes rocket. Bonus number 4, how to close high-paying clients. Number 5 is local agency business team showcase software. OTO4 bonuses include number 1, contact business swipes. Number 2 is premium stock footage collection with reseller. Number 3 is clickable images bot. OTO5 bonuses are number 1, high-level Fiverr seller domination training. Number 2 is access to a premium software that finds good domain names that have a higher chance of selling your interactive video service. Powerful stuff. And number 3, Amazon Store Builder. So people, there is also a bundle deal that is going for $297. Now, at 10 a.m. Eastern, 4th March 2022, the Facedrip team is running a webinar. So register for that webinar, and the way you get onto the registration page is by clicking on the link below this video anytime before 10 a.m. 4th March, and you will land on my bonus page, where I shall reveal the bonuses that you shall receive when you pick up Facedrip through my link. Now, on that bonus page as well, there is a button at the top and a link at the bottom. Click either one and you will land on the webinar registration page. I wish you great success with Facedrip.